What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sincere, and you know, like I know, it's going down. July 20th at the Blue Moon. It is fucking going down. Louisville, Texas, 121-2305 Southwest Highway. We got some of the motherfucking livest acts in the DFW. We got my nigga Sincere gonna be in the motherfucking building. We got my nigga Chester T gonna be in the motherfucking building. BTH, Big Time Hustle, will be in the motherfucking building. We got my nigga Show performing Show Off. He will be in the motherfucking building. Sasha Queen will be in the motherfucking building. If you fuck with Sincere, if you rap, you get money, then you'll be at 2305 121 Southwest Highway in Louisville, Texas. My nigga, July 20th is going down. From 9 to 2 a.m. in the morning. We got the grills going all night fucking long. We got brisket, we got fried chicken, we got ribs, we got steak, we got macaroni and cheese, we got potato salad, we got whatever the fuck you want, you gonna be able to get at my show. Sincere One Star. It's going down. Bring your $5 to get in the club. We got $3 drinks. We got $2 one-star drinks all night long. So bring your money, and we got them CDs on sale for $5, my nigga. So if you coming to the show and you want to see me, holla at your boy Sincere, where it go down at the Blue Moon this Friday, July 20th. I hope I see you there, because it's gonna be an extravaganza.